guys, this is me Jyoti and thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that you all are doing amazing and having fun over there. So in this video, we are quickly going to learn how to make quilling earrings, which is really easy and super cute. I tried to make it easy for you as much as I could. So I really hope that you will give it a try. So stay tuned with me if you want to learn it step by step. I really hope that you'll figure out something new. So without talking too much, let's start the video. Firstly, take a strip. I am using here 5 mm strip and join it with the other strip. I am taking here pink and white contrast. If you want to use other, so you can use it. Join both the strips using glue and start making a tight coil. And once you are done, so please secure the end with using glue. So now what you have to do, you have to just press the tight coil or give it a teardrop shape. Like I am doing. So it is ready. Now just press it a bit inside and give it a dome shape. Apply a little glue inside it and it's done. I have created 2 big size of teardrops and 2 small sizes of teardrops. And now we have to assemble all the teardrops together. I'm applying glue and firstly I'm starting with big one. So join them like this. And join the small one. Now attach your small teardrops with the big teardrops. So let it dry for some time. I'm going to make a ring. So I'm making a ring using a quilling slot and I am taking here half 3 mm strip. Secure the ends and apply some glue all over the ring. So now we'll attach it, apply some glue and attach with the earring. So I'm going to attach the earring hook. Just be careful while doing it. And in the end, I'll paste a white pearl to enhance its look. So yes guys, it's done. I have created one pair of it. So it will look like this. Isn't it looking beautiful? Hey guys, so this is it about today's video. I really hope that you enjoyed watching it and found it helpful. And if you really did, so please share this video with your friends, with your family. And if you like watching it, so please give this video a big fatty thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. And please don't forget to click the bell icon for the latest updates. So I'll meet you very soon with the next interesting topic. Until you have fun, keep learning. Bye bye.